Hey guys, Max here from the Crypto Experiment. It's been a while since I've been sitting in this seat. I thought we would just do a quick portfolio update. I'm off to Australia tomorrow morning. I think it'd be good to do just a little before Australia, post Australia. I'm there for 3 weeks. I've got my table on my phone so that I can continue noting down all the crypto updates every day, or the portfolio update every day. Yeah, it'd be good to see a snapshot before and after. But anyway, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Let's just jump in. So the market, we did have there was a big sell-off and then a big rebound just a few hours ago. So the market's been pretty exciting. As you know, or if you watched my last video, I recently just invested a bunch into Solana. We just put 10k into Solana, which is my final, definitely my last big investment. But hopefully we can get a 2-3x out of Solana, and then I'm gonna shift the profits over down into some of the other cryptos we have, and some mid caps maybe, just so we can catch the rise of some other cryptos and turn it into a bit of a multiplier. But yeah, we'll see what happens. But as of right now, as of today, the Solana dipped to about 9,800. Hoppy has increased a lot in the past day. We've had a 15% increase in the last day, and then before that, I think it also had a bit of a jump. So, yeah, we were seeing a bit of a rise, and Ethereum was doing quite well, which is why Turbo was also doing pretty well as well. But yeah, so Hoppy's gone up to 745. We're still only at a 0.13 on the multiplier, so we're still almost we're like a 9x down pretty much, which isn't great, but whatever. Turbo, we're at about 50% of our initial investment. Watt is definitely one of the ones which I want to get rid of. I'm just going to hold on to it and see what happens, because I mean, there's no point in selling it now. I would have lost probably like 1,500 quid, so I may as well just hold on and see what goes on. Same with Bolt. So Bolt, we're at 0.08 of our current initial investment. Bolt, Watt is at 0.04. Tragic. We've got Myro also doing very badly. It's the current theme, guys. The portfolio is pretty bad. We have Myro at 0.18 of the initial investment, so currently sitting at 420 from 2,300. We've got Wen, who's doing a bit better, which is a fifth of its initial investment. Currently sitting at 460 out of 2,250. Then we have Slurf, again a little bit better than Wen, which is at 0.23, which is, we've only invested 1,500 in Slurf and it's at 345. Then we've got Duco, pretty bad, 290. Okay, then we've got Neversol, which is our worst, which is at £10 from 1,000. So that's 100x down. We are not. Neversol is just gone. So I'm going to hold on to it, like I said, for Watt and some of the others. Watt may recover a little bit. Neversol is not going to recover. This shit is done. I'm just holding on to it anyway because that's a grand that I'm never going to get back. So fuck it. Worst investment of my life. Anyway, whatever. Well, probably definitely the worst, but close. We've got some close ones as well. We've got Peng, which is at £44 from 680. We did DCA like £30 into Peng just to to double our average. It's gone down a little bit since then, but whatever. We have Mudeng, which is currently at 1,129 from 3k, which is 0.4%, which is not bad. So Mudeng's a very strong one. That was one we invested in quite late, as in quite recently, when the markets had crashed. So that's why Mudeng's doing all right. Foxy's not doing too great, 0.12. Man, these are all trash, man. These are not looking great. But the thing is, I'm not going to invest too much more. I did DCA quite a bit into several of these, and then obviously the market crashed, so that's why they're all very badly performing. I could invest a little bit more. I'm not 100% I'm going to, because they're all very risky plays, and I'm not really looking forward to having such a high risk portfolio anymore. We'll see. And then we've got over the utilities, we've got Goldfinch, which is at 792 from 2,500. That's a 0.3. Rareable's £2,000 initial investment. We're at 972, so that's very, very good. That's our best one, I think. Then we have is that our best? Well, apart from Solana, that's oh no, Turbo is pretty good as well. So it's second best. Then we've got Shapeshift Fox, which is 2,000, and we're currently at 954. So that's also on par with Rarible pretty much. Talent Protocol 2,000 down to 253, not amazing. ICP is also not looking great. This is another hedge, so you could, I guess, put this in a similar category to Solana. Not quite, but it is in the billions and billions dollar market cap, so it is more of a hedge. I've only got 1,500 in it, and we're down to about half our initial investment. And then we have Pangolin, which is at 0.24. So that's pretty much it. We are from 47k down to 20,100, which is a 0.43. So we're down over 50% currently. Yesterday we did see Solana rise up to about 1,200 on our current value, so we did gain about £700. I mean, we put in 10k, there was £500 fee, so really we only had 9,500. I mean, I ignore the fees in the data just because it just makes it kind of weird, because I did put 10 grand in, so I'm just going to put it down as 10 grand. But then, yeah. So we're still in profit. Well, not really, but we're in profit from 9,500. It's gone up since we put our money in, basically. But yeah, we haven't netted positive just yet. So that is that in terms of the portfolio. Hopefully, we do have the M2. I mean, not that I know too much about all this money stuff going on, but we have the M2 supply thing happening on the 25th of March. So apparently that's a catalyst. I'm not going to lie, I don't really know too much about any of this shit, but I just see it all over X. I see it all over crypto people talking about it. Apparently, hopefully good stuff is going to come. You know what I mean? I'm praying. My fingers are crossed. I hope your fingers are crossed as well for your portfolios. We'll just quickly check the market now as well. So Bitcoin is sitting at 64,600. So I was seeing on X there was a big whale who had shorted Bitcoin for like $380 million. And he nearly got liquidated up here, so he nearly lost his 380 mil. But I mean, obviously that might have meant insider trading, or he knew. So, like, why would you put in a short of that size if you don't know that it's going to go down? Of course, Bitcoin then goes down, but then it did pretty violently go back up. So, and now we're just retesting that. So yeah, it's been a busy past like 6 hours or so. Lots going on for Bitcoin. And then let's just check Solana, as we did recently put a bunch in. Again, we just had the big dip, but we had a nice rise. We bought around here, so we had a nice big rise upward, and then we just had that big sell off. So it is what it is. And then Ethereum also had a similar rise, again just following the trend of Bitcoin, although not as violently as Solana was doing. But there we go, Ethereum. I mean, just from Ethereum doing a bit better and Solana doing a bit better over the past day, you see that in the portfolio, because pretty much all the cryptos I have are on Solana and Ethereum, and they all go up when Ethereum and when Solana go up. So it's it really shows how much we really want Ethereum and Solana to perform well, and that will be when alt season really happens, is when Ethereum is popping off, Solana's popping off, and then the money goes and drains down into the mid-lower caps, which hopefully we'll see in the coming months. Fingers fucking crossed. But yeah, so that's where we're at. That's where the market's at. It's currently the 16th of March. The portfolio is currently 27k almost in the negative. So let's actually have a gander. We're 27k in the negative, which isn't great, not gonna lie. It is what it is. I'm hoping, this is what my forecast is going to be. I think some stuff is going to happen while I'm away. I think there's going to be some bullishness going on. I think hopefully we sort of regain some of this. We've had a big sell-off in the past like month or so, right? Bitcoin's had a big, hopefully we sort of regain up to this about 75, 78k level for Bitcoin. And then so for Solana we'll be going up to this, month. Yeah, this level up here, about £134. That would be really nice. We would almost be not quite doubling our 10k. No, sorry, not. It'd be like 1.5. We might be on about 15k at that point, around about a bit less, but whatever. So yeah, lots to look forward to. I hope that's where we're at in like a couple of weeks' time, if all this hype that people are talking about actually is hype and stuff happens. If not, we just got to ride it out and we shall see. But a lot can happen in 3 weeks, as you guys know. It's just currently been a downtrend for the past few months. We need to see an uptrend. So for the past 2 months, pretty much exactly, it's just been straight downwards. We need to see, hopefully, for the next few months, straight upwards. That would be really nice. And our portfolios would be out the gutter. But yeah, guys, it's been a while since I've done one of these kind of videos. Yeah, again, just wanted to do a snapshot before, snapshot after. We'll see what happens in the 3 weeks I'm away. I hope you guys are doing extremely well. Please do like and subscribe if you enjoy the content and you enjoy me documenting the crypto process. Again, I'm not the most knowledgeable on all the like financial TA, all the stuff going on in America that affects the market. But I thought it would just be a good idea to document my journey, and maybe it can help some of you, or it's entertaining, or I don't know, whatever, guys. But yeah. So I hope you guys are doing very well. I hope you have a nice 3 weeks. I'm not going to be uploading any videos. I will get back on it when I'm back. But until then, guys, stay safe. I love you all very much. Thank you very much for watching, guys. And I will see you when I'm back. So cheers, guys. Bye.